Guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I'm back with another video. So I see that you guys can see my hair is looking crazy. Alright, so what I want to do today is I already straightened it. I washed my hair, I blow dry it, I flat ironed it, and what we're going to do today is attempt to use that machine to trim my hair. That's right, that's what I'm gonna do. So if you guys remember from the other video, I'll leave a link somewhere up here or something. In the other video, I trimmed it, but I trimmed it with my wig because I was nervous to put it on my own hair. So what I'm going to do now is put it on my hair. It actually worked really, really well on the wig, so I didn't have no complaints. It had like a little bit of hairs in there. It wasn't taking off too much, so. But like I said, I don't know if I have enough to actually fit in there, but we're going to find out, okay? Stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it's looking like in the back. It's looking like a little wolfy, so. But this is the back. Hopefully you can see that. It needs a trim. It really does. It's looking crazy. But this is what I'm here for, to show you guys a little bit of everything. So I just got myself a little comb right here. Any comb will do. And these are the clips that came with the machine or whatever. Now I know you're supposed to section off some hair, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. And I'm not gonna take small pieces because, like I said, my hair is not long, so I'm gonna just take what I can, and we're gonna see how this works. I know it's a big piece, but we'll see. Look at those ends. Oh my god. Anyways, so here's the machine. If you guys remember, it's this side always facing the head, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna try to get my hair in there. And then drag it down all the way. Oh, okay, not bad, not bad. Oh my god. Alright, let's give it another pass. Is it looking any better? A little. Alright, here we go. So you gotta try to slide your hair in between these plates. And then remember, guys, I did say that the flat iron is in there. It's on. So it's on right now. 150 Celsius, whatever that is. So I'm trying to slide my hair in there. This is the hard part. Okay, not bad. You guys see that? That's not bad at all. That's not bad. Alright. So, we gonna find out. We gonna find out. So I'm going to just do one half of my head, and then we're going to look at the other half and see what's going on. Oh, this is going to be so difficult, me trying to show you guys the back. So like I said, try to get them in there. This side facing the head. So kind of slide it on there. Press down. Slow pass through. Alright, and then grab that piece again. My hair is not even that hot. It's not that hot, the flat iron, so I don't know if I could put the temperature up, but this works. Like I said, I already flat ironed my hair. Yes, I have heat protectant on it and everything, so let's give it a second pass. It does say 2 to 3 passes, but I ain't trying to do all them passes. I just want to get these dead ends off or split ends off, and it's not doing too bad. So I'm checking because you can see I'm a little worried. But look, see guys, it's not bad at all. If you can see the hairs in there. All right. Let me do the front. I'm gonna just take that piece. Like I said, the hardest part. Ooh, I'll be worried. Oh my gosh. It's alright. It's gonna be alright. You can see my hair is broken off in some spots. Alright. That's from having my hair curly all the time. I really hardly ever straighten it. Probably a bad thing. At least straighten it every now and then so I can cut it. Well, it's winter time now, so now I can straighten it and not have to worry. You wanna see them ends? I actually got hair on my shirt too. Well, it's not holding the clippings very well. It should be holding them. It looks like it's spitting them out. Alright, well. Let's see if I can get this on camera. So I just like weave it in there. Press down. And pull. Let's hope this works, guys. Like I said, I had a split ender before, and that thing was phenomenal. Hold on, I got stuck. Yeah, it was phenomenal. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I said, let me get this one and see how it works. But my hair grew with that. So I want to say, yeah, it looks a lot better. It's not perfect, but it looks a lot better than what it was looking like when I flashed you guys with it the first time. Oh my gosh. All right. I'm gonna just take this whole chunk because my hair might look thick, but it's not. It's really thin. It's like paper thin. Look, as I comb it, my ends are coming off. My ends is jacked. I digress. It'll be okay. Alright, let's try to... Oh, no, no. Alright. Alright. The things we do to our hair, ladies. What the hell do we be thinking? All to save a coin or not go to the salon as much. Alright. So that's... Whew. That's 2 passes. Trying to get the excess out. Alright, this is versus the side that hasn't been done. Actually looks more silkier. This looks a little bit rougher. Oh boy. I don't know, guys. What are you thinking? I need to know. And then you guys can see all the hairs. They fell out. So it's not really holding it too well. And it's not taking off a lot. You guys can see how little the hairs are. It's not that big. I don't know. Do I want to do the other side? I don't know. Because why is it looking rougher on this side? I might as well follow through, right, guys? Follow through. It feels the same. It doesn't feel... doesn't feel any different. It just looks rougher. I don't know. All right, so what do you guys think? I just did half of my head. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'll probably do the other half off camera or whatever. And then, yeah, I'll just show you the finished result. All right, hold on. All right, guys, I'm back. So I finished the whole thing. Whew, I did the back the best I could, so it might still look a little rough back there. I don't know. I'm going to turn around. So now, both sides. This side still looks silky. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it looked silky before I got started, but I'm not liking the fact that the hairs are not staying in the machine, so that's pissing me off. It's supposed to trap them in there, so I don't know what's going on with that. I'll turn around and show you guys the back. Probably loose hairs falling out right now as I speak. I'll show you the back on this side. And this is my natural hair. I just flat ironed it and blow dry it. So, I don't know, guys. What do you think? It didn't take off more than it should have, so it just, I don't know. I guess I was nervous because, you know, I was just nervous, but that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Until next time, bye. Before I leave you guys, I have to show you what came off besides what's on my shirt, because this machine clearly didn't hold all the clippings in there. So this is what came out. This is all the hair that was cut. You see that? Ew, look at those dead ends. So it's not bad. I was just nervous. I do have more clippings on my shirt. Once again, guys, make sure you comment, subscribe, like, share this video with all of your friends. It helps me and it helps you. Helps me show you a little bit of everything. Take care, guys. Bye.